are gathered here today to celebrate my best friend, Rachel's death. I'm too sorry.
Are you okay?
She's not dead anymore.
Hey, guess what?
What?
God has ringtones.
Yeah, listen. I know. What is the message from God?
Club mix? Let's listen.
Yes. Wow, so good. Why are we dancing?
Because it's amazing.
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 Amazing. Truly amazing here. Oh my gosh. What else does God have for us, if any?
You are extremely short on this.
Die again!
No one calls me short. She will never call me short again.
No, what? I think God gave me another ringtone and I'm sorry.
Okay, it's okay. You're dead, so I won't call you.
Yo. What?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Amazing.
Amazing.
So gay.
I know.
What is up with these ringtones?
They're from up there, people. If we go up there, they come from God.
God gives us a lot of things, but those ringtones.
I don't know. He has serious issues, which we will never find out unless we die and don't come back. And fortunately enough, I came back twice and brought you God's ringtones.
Twice.
That's dose, people. Dose.
I don't know. I was gonna say it in French, I don't know it.
There you go. The dead came back. We came back.
God's ringtones.
Amazing. Amazing. Goodbye, people.
Peace.